This is the Firewolf wall sconce, 18 watts. And we're going to show you what this product is about. Firewolf dual light system, outdoor wall sconce, packaged in styrofoam. As we unpack the unit, it is in 4 different model colors. Check online for the black color you're looking for. It has 2 LED lights, 9 watts per light, with the instructions and hardware to hang. We've taken the bracket off so we can show you what the bracket looks like and how to hang with the ground leads, careful of the leading edges. The 2 holes on each side are for leveling your bracket to a wall, light, or junction box. A close-up look at the light. IP rated, LED bulbs underneath to shine down, the 4 screws, 2 on each side, and the hardware inside your low, neutral, and ground. It is IP rated all around with instructions on how to install. Find a location. Hardware not for anchoring permanent, but hardware for the junction box are included. Place your leads through. Lock down. With your leads load, neutral, secure into place. Placing on the cover and the screws is simply sliding on. Once all 4 are secured, test and we'll come out in the evening hours to show you the light shining as a dual system. Turning the light switch on for the Firewolf, 9 watts on each, total of 18 watts for the unit by a wall switch. The outdoor wall sconce, IP rated, all weather. I hope you enjoy your wall sconce and thank you for viewing. So if you're looking for a wall sconce to dress up your house, your area, walkway, a number of sconces placed on the property, this may be something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.